Never leave cleaning supplies behind after a job. Make their retrieval as standard as locking the door. Start by creating a simple supply inventory that lists every item you carry to a job, including brand names and quantities, and update it weekly so you know when something is missing before you leave a site. Before you begin cleaning, place all supplies in one portable caddy and use that caddy as your visual anchor. If the caddy is empty at the end, you immediately know something is missing. Work methodically room by room, and as you complete each room, perform a quick sweep that includes inside cabinets, behind doors, under sinks, and around appliances where bottles and tools commonly get tucked away. Use a checklist sheet or a checklist app that requires you to tick off each category of item as you pack it back into the caddy, and make a habit of using the same checklist every time so it becomes muscle memory. Keep spare essentials in a vehicle-level organizer that mirrors your on-site inventory, so if a client needs an extra cloth or product, you can replace it without depleting your on-site set. Train every team member to follow these routines and perform a final team walkthrough together, assigning one person to verbally confirm the inventory before keys are returned. The 3 most common mistakes are relying on memory instead of a written list, skipping hard to see spaces during final checks, and failing to standardize the packing process across a team. If you rely on memory, you will occasionally forget items, so switch to a written or app-based inventory you must complete for every job. If you skip corners and cabinets because you are rushing, use the room-by-room sweep rule and physically open every storage space before you leave. If team members pack differently, create a standardized caddy layout and a single person responsible for the final confirmation so accountability is clear. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a place for practical conversations about topics like post-cleaning checklists and job site routines. We help contractors find work through homeowner interest, and we host a discussion community where members share tips, checklists, and real-world experiences.